Welcome to our Adventure Miles. Hello everyone.
Hello.
So regrettably, this is our last full day here in Santorini.
Yes.
Absolutely loved it. We are so glad we came. What did you love about it, sweetie?
Just the beach. I mean, the beach and the pool. I mean, it was that type of time for us. Just enjoying the water. Going out to have a beach swim every day and lying around the pool. I don't know. It was that type of time for us.
Absolutely.
We did do a few hikes, as you saw in our videos, but it was really about the beach and the water.
Yeah. Absolutely. The temperature was perfect. Now the September is a perfect time to come because it's not hot. It's like in the mid 20s.
Yeah, beds were always available, the sun beds.
Absolutely.
Lots available. This is the perfect timing.
Yes.
Like Steve said.
And even they're discounted because they don't have a lot of people coming, so you don't get charged their full rate. So it is a perfect time to come down here. Otherwise, I mean, we did yesterday, actually, we'll show you the video on that, but we went and took a hike from Fira to Oa. And that was really cool, so we'll show you the videos there. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Back in Fira. It's not quite as busy today, which is great. Still beautiful weather.
There's only one cruise ship in the port right now. So last time we were here, there was 3.
Yes. So a little crazier. It's a little bit quieter. Still busy, but it's not nicer than it was before. So today we're going to do something a little different today.
Yeah. We are walking to Oa.
Yes. It's about 7K when you get past in the outskirts of Fira where the actual true walk starts. Yeah. But if actually you start from the tip of the Fira, which is where the bus drops us off, it's over 10K. So yeah, we're looking forward to doing that and then checking out Ia.
Yes, yeah, it's going to be a good day.
Yes, so we'll take pictures and videos along the way. Hello, buddy. It's got a nice place. So actually, one of the things I'm really surprised about is that you don't hear of Scaros, but you hear of Fira and Ia. But Scaros is beautiful.
Yeah, it is nice.
I mean, a lot of the pictures that we've taken of the different sites that you would expect are in Ia are actually here in Scaros. So I'd be curious to see what Ia is like. So just ahead of us is Scaros Rock, a tour or attraction. Some boutique hotels over here. So now that we've passed Scaros, the trail continues along this side and then you can see it'll climb up that ridge and then straight across and all the way down to Ia. And that's where we're heading. These are pretty cool units. Private pools. Well, this is Zia. And this is the typical accommodations, resorts, boutique hotels. Here's Central Promenade. And we're leaving tomorrow. We're taking a ferry to where?
We're going to Crete.
It's a mid-afternoon ferry. We'll get there in the evening, so hopefully we'll be there tomorrow night without any hitches. We'll bring you more videos from there. Bye for now.
Bye.
If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.